Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. Yeah, so welcome back to my channel, and this time we're gonna make a little bit different from the other videos that I used to make. So this time I'm gonna show you something, one of my hobbies, something like recreating or transforming some areas or walls or whatsoever, which we normally call do it yourself because you're home alone. So normally this is a typical terrace which you can find everywhere, which is really old and it's really a boring one. So we decided to change it like this. So we transform our terrace into something like a garden. So something like an outside feeling. So instead to buy a new set of tiles, we just bought some pieces of them and we just put it all around. In the center we just put a green carpet which just look like a grass. So the idea here is to be look like a garden. So that's why the carpet should be look like a real grass. So that's why we didn't took out the old tiles. We just put this green carpet on the top of it and the new set of the tiles also on the top of them. We didn't took out the old tiles. We just put them all on top of them because we don't want to put these new things directly to the ground, which is when it rains it will gonna be hard to get dry. So the concerns of being wet and it took a lot of time to get dried is about the carpet, but for the new tiles that has nothing to do with it because that has a hose to get through to the water to get through. But the thing is, if you replace the old tiles with the new tiles, then the carpet will be gonna be look like a normal carpet which is on top of them. So that's not the idea. The idea is to be look like a grass. So that's why we didn't put out and replace the old one and we just put all of them on the above, so the carpet and the new tiles will not gonna be on level. So by this idea, the carpet will be look like a real grass and the tiles would be look like above on the grass. So it will be like not in the same level, which is gonna be look like everything is just like that. Yeah, you see it guys, it's really not that so hard and it's really simple, and but it looks really more better and beautiful and something like I think you never expected. So thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.